Hey everybody, it's Don again with Learn and Earn Digital Marketing. Uh, if retirement feels more like a storm than smooth sailing, you're not alone. Uh, but you don't have to ride the storm out by yourself. Uh, the Legacy program helped me turn uncertainty into income. Uh, with a business that was my own and that it works. It's not an MLM. Believe me, I already got burnt by one of those. Uh, it's an actual online business. It's not only just a business that you own. There are no over or under links that you have to pay. You get 100% of everything. Uh, but the support team that's behind you is unbelievable. You may be in business alone, but you sure aren't going to be alone. You can trust me on that. So I would say you should check this out a little bit more. Uh, let me guide you through the storm here. Income is so important right now, especially when you're getting into your retirement years. And the reason it's so important is because this is one of the biggest decisions that you're going to have to make, and that decision is going to be based on, will I have enough funds to last out the storm? And that's what we got to get down to. The only way you're going to do it, folks, is that uh, you have to do a little research. I've done an awful lot of it, and I jumped into the Legacy Builder uh, with the owner, Michelle O'Neill, who is just absolutely tremendous. And they they showed me the way. I believe me, I knew nothing about social media. I didn't even know anything about computers. I didn't even own a computer until I got into this thing about 7 months ago. Uh, and I had to educate myself all on that part of it too. Hopefully, you're a little ahead of the game than I was. But uh, check it out. It's not going to cost you a dime to check something out, and it could change your entire retirement future, from battling a storm to uh, being on a cruise ship in calm water. Uh, you got the website there, www.learnandearn.biz. Go to it, click on the link, get more information on it. Or if you'd like to communicate with me directly, there's my email address, don@learnandearn.biz. And I will answer every single question that you have, uh, if you want to email me live. So y'all take care now. In fact, I think I'm going to be heading down uh, to the ocean states here in a couple of weeks. I'm planning on maybe going to Tarpon Springs. I don't know if you've ever heard of it or not, but it's a little Greek town where they dive for sponges. And I was there quite a while ago, and it was absolutely beautiful. And oh, the Greek desserts, mwah, I love them. So hey, you guys take care. Go to the website or email me. Okay, you take care. Talk to you later.